Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy. I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, we are gonna be having another one of our product empties and reviews video. Now if you want to see the products I have in this bin and my thoughts and opinions about these products, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. Okay guys, so we finally went through a lot more products that we typically do, and I can't wait to share them with you. Now because this bin is filled up, I'm just going to be putting my hand into it and picking up any product that my hand reaches. Okay, so we're going to begin first with body spray. This is my Nivea Pearl and Beauty Smooth and Beautiful Underarms Pure Extract and Avocado Oil Anti-perspirant 72 hours active protection. You guys knew when I got this Nivea Pearl and Beauty because I love the Pearl and Beauty roll-on a lot, and the scent of this is just divine, but I really don't agree with this 72 hour way. Like, I typically would prefer my Nivea Invisible on Black and White, I think, but I love it, especially for the scent. The scent is divine. Will I repurchase it? Yes, I have already repurchased it. Then as usual, I have my Sure Motion Sense Invisible on Black and White clothes. This is like my best of the best of the best ever anti-perspirant. I always would have Sure in rotation, even if I have other products. You guys know this is not the first time you're seeing Sure here. There was a point where I kind of reduced usage because the price of Sure shot up, but I noticed of recent that the price has been a little bit more stable around the 4,950 to 5,250 range, so I have been getting it. I intend to repurchase it. Now Sure has a lot of scents, but I typically would prefer also this Invisible Black and White clothes, and there's still another teal green one again that is really nice. They have a lot, but this is my favorite. Then I have my Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Deep Cleansing Face Wash. This one is the blue one. It's for like night use, but I use it any time of the day. Really nice. I'm going to repurchase it because the way I just did it, I got this for the night and got the morning burst for the day. So I use the morning burst during the day and use this at night. And somehow when I take off my makeup and just wash my face with this, I don't know, the scent or something in it, like I notice a difference when I don't use it. I use another face wash at night. I notice a difference in the morning with how my skin looks and feels. So I'm definitely going to repurchase it. It's not cheap. It's going for around 19,000 right now, but I'm saving up towards that. Then finally, I am done with my. Oh, I have something. I have another sticker on this. My kids must have been playing somewhere where I kept these things. So I have my Dark and Lovely 3-in-1 shampoo. A while back I couldn't get my usual Nature's Gentle Touch herbal blend conditioner and shampoo, so I saw this Dark and Lovely, and this is the shampoo and conditioner I was using like growing up, so I decided to repurchase it. I think it is the second bottle. I'm almost certain I have done one product empty of this product on this channel, but I really can't tell because I just dumped them somewhere. I'll have to rewatch some of the older videos and see, but the product, I gave it a thumbs up. Really good. It is worth your coin. You can see I'm on lookout. It's what I used to wash my hair for my kids, and it's really good. Then I finally went through this perfume. So it's finished though. Nothing is coming out. This is my Berries Weekend Pink Edition perfume. It was gifted to me, I think, my birthday last year, and the bottle, the packaging, everything about it is just gorgeous. The scent, really nice. I'm going to browse online and then leave the notes here. Top note, mid note, base notes. This is more like my jam in perfumes. I have like particular notes I like and how they make me feel and how they interact with my body chemistry, and this perfume does have it. So is this something I'm going to repurchase? It's not something I've found around, but if I come across it, yes, I will repurchase it. Then I finally finished my Nivea Nourishing Cocoa 5-in-1 Complete Care body lotion. This is the body lotion I potted to after Palmer's cocoa butter became like 30 something k. This one is just 5,500 naira, and see, it's good for my skin. My skin feels nourished, feels refreshed, feels like deeply cared for. This Nivea Nourishing Cocoa has a deep moisture serum, and it's 48-hour deep moisture care. Really good product. It helps skin feel smooth. It has dry out protection. It gives deep nourishment, and it gives healthy looking skin. You can see how healthy my skin is looking. I've already repurchased it. So I repurchased the smaller one. I didn't find this big container. They have a smaller one when I went to get it. So of course I'm looking out. I don't know, they've been out of this. Most shops have been, supermarkets rather, have been out of this Nivea Nourishing Cocoa. I don't know what's going on, but this is my favorite. I don't want to get another one. Then of course I finished this, my Angel cotton swabs light. I must itch my ear almost every day. I don't know, if I don't put this thing in my ear, I'm not complete. Like, I'll just pick it to a point, turn it around my finger, and just itch, especially after I have my bath. I don't know, it does something. And then I also use it when I coat my nails to clean around my nails. I use it to take out gunk from my eye if within the day, like, I have gunk at the side of my eye. Like, I use it for a whole lot of things. I'm done with this. I've already repurchased it. Then my acrylic nail dissolver got finished. Typically I can always say, don't come for me. I prefer nail dissolver to nail cortex remover, especially in Nigeria or Nigerian climb. It takes up my, because I always have my fingernails coated. I really don't like fixing nails as such, so I always use it. And then one of my fingernails, I think this one, I had whitlow and it healed, and I don't know, for some reason the fingernail is just always swelling up from time to time. So I pour some into a container, a cap like this, and then I dip the finger into it, and it helps. It stings like hell, but it also helps to prevent whitlow from reoccurring here again. Please, that is not a medical tip. This is just what I do, but if you have anything like that, please see your doctors for help. Okay, then the main products I have here are all makeup products. Now I got finished with not one but two, see, totally finished, two of my face primers, the Huda Beauty Matte Perfection face primer. This one I even had to cut it. This one is now out of production. I didn't find it with any vendor. So, and then the TM Essentials Mattifying Face Primer. Finally got done with these two. Good product. If I see this Huda Beauty one from any vendor on the slide, I will get it. TM Essentials, yeah, I think they've changed the container of this, and I saw it on one Nigerian vendor page, so I'm definitely going to repurchase it. Anything mattifying, you'll catch me there. I love it. Then I finished one of my Dabel face powder. This is in the shade Angelique. I typically would prefer the shade Amber, no, the shade Emerald as my skin tone shade. Angelique is the shade I just threw in my handbag to touch up during the day. I just finished this one. Dabel products are really affordable, and they pack a punch. Very good. I've already repurchased this product. Then I finally got done with my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 362 Truffle. Now, when I discovered this foundation was phasing out somehow, I got about 4 of them. This is the 3rd bottle. I just brought out the 4th and final bottle, but thankfully Maybelline came out with the Lumi Matte, which I also like. So when I get done with this one, I would not like feel bad or anything. I can always just swap to the Lumi Matte, because the one that came after this, the active wear, I didn't really like it as such. And then I finally got done with my elf camo concealer. This is in the shade Deep Rich Cocoa. I always use this to like color correct underneath my eye to prevent that gray shadow from showing after I highlight. I love it to bits. This is something I would repurchase. Elf products now are really expensive. I don't know, I might purchase the lighter shade for highlighting, but I think my LA Girl concealer in chestnut or espresso will do the same thing. Good product. If I get it, if you dash me, I will take. But it's something I will go out to repurchase again. I don't think so. I think I would rather use the money to buy the light one, because this elf concealer right now in Nigeria is going for about 31,000 naira thereabout, which is not cheap. Then I finished 2 of my liquid liners. Like, these are the liners I've been wishing for a whole lot. I have recently started leaning more towards the pot liners, because I always have like really pigmented eyeshadows, and most of those other pots pen liners, they dry out a lot faster, or the brush gets filled up with gunk. So of course, as usual, my Didi Beauty liquid liner and my Zaron HD liquid liner. Ooh, these two are totally dried out, and of course you guys know they are my favorites. Either or, like, if it's not broken, don't fix it. I've not found any other liquid liner that beats this one, so I always have these liquid liners in rotation. Then I have my what is this now? LA Pride eyeliner in black brown. Looks just like this. I got this like a twist up pencil. I got it to fill in my brows. I like it, but it does tend to have a little bit of gunk, like it's a bit soft, so I really don't know. And the fact that I can't sharpen it to a point, I just got it. I got the black of it as well, but it's not something I think I'm going to repurchase. Then I have these Hegai and Esther liquid liners, the pen liners, both of them. This one does magic. Sometimes it shows, sometimes it doesn't. Like right now, it's bringing out something, but it's not gliding on enough. It's dried out one kind. So that's why I said, as in my pot liner, I can use it to the bottom, and once you put the brush into the pot, it can always activate everything. But this ones, once they get finished, they are done. So I have these two from Hegai and Esther. It's not like I don't have some of these pen liners, so, but I still have like 3. One from Didi Beauty, one from Hegai and Esther, and I think one from Zaron, the smoky line. But it's not something I typically go out of my way to get. I already got those ones down before, so I'll just use them. But I feel like more like a pot girl liner right now. And then finally, I got done with my Zaron smoky gel liner, the black one, like a twist up pencil. I finished it, and there you have it, guys. No, there we don't have it. I also finally finished my Soulmate hair conditioner hair cream. Like, it's totally finished. You guys can see that I'm on low cut rather, and this is what I use every single day or every day I wash my hair to like moisturize, and then I use my Echo styling gel and my Kaima hair wax to like do every other thing. I have a video on this channel where I showed you how I do that, like take care of my hair. That's a content you would like to see. I think I'll just link it underneath this video, because once my followers ask me how I take care of my low cut hair and make it look so good. So there you have it, guys, all our most recent product empties. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned until the end, and until I come your way again, remember this. Bye, guys.